Hello viewers, welcome to PK Learning viewers. Today we will discuss the virus and bacteria MCQs, and this is the part second of virus bacteria MCQs. Let's start it. And first question is TMV contain RNA and protein, DNA and protein, both DNA and RNA, या फिर only DNA? And answer is A, RNA and protein. Team Evans tobacco mosaic virus contains RNA and proteins. A is correct option. And next question is Ravi water does not spoil due to the presence of algae, fungi, bacteriophages या फिर virus. And answer is C, bacteriophages. Ravi water does not spoil due to presence of bacteriophages. C is correct option. And next question is the clairs caught in agar plate during culturing of bacteria are called stands, plaque, phages या फिर hollows. And answer is B, plaque. Clairs in agar plate are called plaque. B is correct option. And next question is vaccination against smallpox was developed by Louis Pasteur, Edward Jenner, Alexander Fleming या फिर Robert Koch. And answer is B, Edward Jenner. Vaccination against smallpox, Edward Jenner. B is correct option. And next question is the enzyme reverse transcriptase is found in bacteria, fungi, algae या फिर retrovirus. And answer is D, retrovirus. Enzyme reverse transcriptase, retrovirus. D is correct option. And next question is who discovered reverse transcription? Beadle and Tatum, Taman and Baltimore, Watson and Crick या फिर Khorana. And answer is B, Taman and Baltimore. Reverse transcription discovered by Taman and Baltimore. B is correct option. And next question is virus-free plants can be produced by anther culture, ovule culture, stem tip culture या फिर leaf explants culture. And answer is C, stem tip culture. Virus-free plants can be produced by stem tip culture. C is correct option. And next question is for defense against virus, body produces antibodies, antigen, histamines या फिर interferon. And answer is D, interferon. Defense against virus, body produces interferon. D is correct option. And next question is comma shaped bacteria are known as coccus, spiral, vibrio या फिर Lophotrichus. And answer is C, vibrio. Comma shaped bacteria, vibrio. C is correct option. And next question is organisms found in extreme temperature are cyanobacteria, archaeobacteria, eubacteria या फिर fungi. And answer is B, archaeobacteria. Organism in extreme temperature, archaeobacteria. B is correct option. And next question is when tuft of flagella is present at each of the two poles of bacteria is called atrichus, Lophotrichus, amphitrichus या फिर peritrichus. And answer is C, amphitrichus. C is correct option. And next question is mitochondria are absent in bacteria, yeast, fungi या फिर green algae. And answer is A, bacteria. Mitochondria are absent in bacteria. A is correct option. And next question is transformation in bacteria was discovered by Liederberg, Griffiths, Fimbria या फिर Tatum. And answer is B, Griffiths. Transformation was discovered by Griffiths in bacteria. B is correct option. And next question is typhoid fever is caused by Giardia, Salmonella, Escherichia, Shigella. And answer is B, Salmonella. Typhoid fever is caused by Salmonella. B is correct option. And next question is the complexes of layers external to protoplasm are collectively called capsule, slime, cell wall या फिर cell envelope. And answer is D, cell envelope. complexes of layers external to protocol or cell envelope. D is correct option. Thank you viewer for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.